Nasdaq. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the AM session. As you all know, I normally trade the PM session, but due to work and that I'm working night shift this week, should I say unfortunately or fortunately, I will be working the AM session. Quickly make sure that we are all set up. Okay, let's check if we're all set up. Hold on before we start doing this. Welcome, guys. Today, there was news, but I'll speak about it. I think there was GDP, which is very important news in terms of fundamentals. Okay, let's see if I'm audible. Hold on, before we start doing this. What's happening here? It was supposed to be showing. Yeah, all chats, left chat. Okay, something it doesn't make sense. This will be a problem. This will be a problem. I thought there's chats here. Okay. Hi, Peter, how are you? Yeah, it's extremely slow. Um, okay, I'll get into it. What other way can I use to make sure that I keep in touch with? I don't like when everything is so slow. Let's see. Okay. So if I'll be responding slow to your text, I think we are coming. I'm getting the feeds quite slow. Um, and I can't add more here. My internet, the guy there has not upgraded my internet. So sometimes it is a problem. Do not forget to like the live and subscribe. Um, if you're on TikTok, do not forget to follow me. I was hoping the guy by now would have upgraded my internet, but hey, man, tired? Come, let's see. Oh, come on. Um, all right. Seems like there's no upgrade. I'm just doing a test. Seems like there's no upgrade. So, okay, I'm just gonna do this. Live talks, TikTok chats, not yeah, YouTube chats, activity feed. Let's see. We'll get into it, guys. Just be patient now. What the hell? Okay, what's happening? Just trying to figure out what's happening. Come on. Where is the activity feed? No, man. Yeah, technical problems. I'm trying to fix this technical problems. Yeah. Let's see. Uh, so this is the activity field. Who might have been yet activity from this gem will be shown here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that I see. I think today I'll struggle. What's this? This is hold on. Don't match it. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let me just quickly remove this. Let me remove it. What's happening here? Hey, whatever I did here, I fumbled. Hey, here we go. Okay, just gonna remove that. When I stay here, when I come back, when I come back, where you were. Oh God. Hey, how? Okay, okay. I'm gonna remove you. Okay. Now, let me do this. Um, let's see what we have here. I don't know how good the speed is. It's just starting to annoy me now. Doo-doo. Am I still? This is something. I have two live stream at once. Why? What the hell? Why do I have two live stream at once? Okay, I need to. So, what about if I shut this down? Which one shuts down? Let me see. A lot is happening here, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to get my things sorted. Technical glitches are happening. Let's see. I've shut down two live stream at once. I don't know why I'm having two live stream at once. Still two. Why does it stream twice? Okay, this is annoying. Okay, anyway, which one am I gonna open? Let's open this one. I hate a person who promised me things that he can't keep, eh? Okay. Offline. Stream finished. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here's a stream that I was looking for. We're gonna get it going, ladies and gentlemen. No data. Analytics. Okay. Broadway. Okay, let's do that. Okay. I'm gonna put this here. Okay. So on TikTok, let's see. Oh, it's just frozen. Oh, it's just frozen. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Let's get into it, man. I can't stay here. So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, there was a few glitches, and welcome. Let's start. We're gonna go straight into day trading. In between, I will speak about the macroeconomics and the fundamentals. I know most people don't like it, but one way or another, we gotta do it. Trying to upgrade my internet, but hey, man, I don't know if TikTok demands more or there's something that I can do for TikTok to have good quality. But um, yeah, man, let's get into it. Welcome, guys, to day trading. Let's quickly do the analysis. And then let's see. Okay. We are already trading above the all-time high, which is beautiful. Inside the all-time high, we have a daily fair value gap that could be a drop of liquidity tonight. I mean, today, I'm used trading I'm used trading this late. I'm used trading the PM session. So sometimes I miss do calculate. One thing I love of taking yesterday's high, this is beautiful. I think the market might be setting up for bullishness to come back to that daily fair value gap and reject from there. So I think, yeah, I'm lying more bearish. I hope the move has not gone already because there is that possibility that I started late. But previous daily high, previous daily low, we have taken the previous daily high, S&P 500. S&P 500 yesterday's high and low was like, it was not a huge move. That it's interesting. Anyway, previous daily low, and I don't know how good this thing is on TikTok. Please let me know. I hope the guy will upgrade my internet, honestly. I'll be lagging now and then. But anyway, we have taken yesterday's high. We're inside yesterday's range. So for our time frame, let's see. Look, if I get this 2 hours before the closure of this, it might not happen now, but if there is this 4 hour, I'm awaiting 4 hour invasion there because this 4 hour might hold and rejects back to the upside. However, there is, if it closes just below, there is a possibility of coming back to yesterday's low to look for continuation to the upside. So there is such possibilities. So 2 hours, perhaps in the PM session, it will determine where we are going. But for now, I know that we have taken yesterday's high. We left with yesterday's low. Just gonna look at the session thing. Yeah. And also there is a possibility of the market fully rejecting on this for our fair value gap here. Fully rejecting and go back to the upside. So for now, I've not even decided on my bias. Okay. So for me, if it's gone, oh, I hope, yeah, ne? It's a lot. So here, I hope we get an invasion of this 1 hour fair value gap here. If that happens, then the possibilities of us coming to these lows are there, but it looks like it wants to reject exactly there. It just came all the way down because there's also another 1 hour fair value gap. Let me just quickly mark that. There is 1 hour fair value gap there. Uh, Came back and just quickly rejecting there. Maybe I've started the stream late. I might have gotten that move to the upside. But let's see. Sometimes you don't have to rush. Okay. So the market, ooh, what is the market telling me here? Let me remove this. What is the market telling me here? Okay. London high. You can mark this as a London high, or even mark this, or even mark that. What time is it? 12 o'clock. So these are London high there. Taking that, we are rolling over. We tapped into this 15 minutes fair value gap. Hey, what's happening here? So there is an SMT here. because we never came back to these ranges. So there is an SMT between Nasdaq and S&P 500. If I started late, if I started early, perhaps I was gonna get this longs, yeah. But let's see. Let's see what happens. So there is an SMT 2 minutes before the hourly closure. Should I wait for the hour closure? But let's see. I will decide now. We are fully rejecting. Yeah, we are fully rejecting. Ooh, okay. All right. Something is cooking, yeah? This closure is very important, yeah. Look at that move. Mm. It didn't even give me anything to enter on, eh? It just kept on going. I'm like, I don't like the price action on S&P 500. Okay. Yeah. So the market is just doing what it wants to do. It's just pushing to the upside. It's not giving me anything here. Perhaps I could have looked for a break here. Perhaps my trade was gonna be somewhere here. Just gonna explain this. So if it failed, if it continued, maybe come back and retest there. Perhaps my trade, that's where my trade will be. But yeah, this thing just keeps on going. So I don't have a trade. What the hell? What's happening? That's a full reversal, eh? It's a full reversal. Okay. There is a 15 minutes, yeah? Invasion February. 15 minutes February gap. Uh, I am neutral. I have no sense of bias. Do not forget to like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. How TikTok can work perfectly, man. What's happening now? Do not forget to like the live and subscribe. Away Broadway. I think I'm gonna start being bearish here. Something is cooking. Yeah. Something is cooking within that 15 minutes for value gap. Um, let's see. What the hell is happening, man? Does anyone know? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna be short. I'm gonna look for short. SMT has an SMT above here. What's this? Come on. Tell me your bias, man. S&P 500 created a higher high with this new candle here. I don't know what's happening with my thing, eh? Okay. I think I'm gonna prepare to go short. Let me not even, I'm gonna prepare to go short. Yep, I'm gonna prepare to go short because there is an SMT here. Unless everything dismally failed, but I'm gonna prepare to go short. Came back directly inside, and if we're to look, we came back to retest. There's a 5 minutes inversion here. Just gonna mark that as well. There is a 5 minutes inversion if I were to gap inside. So just put that in your mind as well. So there is a 5 minutes inversion here. Okay, let's see. Another SMT, if we were to check, S&P 500 created a high between there, and my friend here failed to create a higher high. So yeah, another SMT here as well. So I think hmm, let's see what happens here, man. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Because there is an SMT. Come on. So it is a higher. It's continuing to go higher. But let's wait. So if I get something like this, retest the previous daily high, I'm gonna look for shorts. Do, 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 do. Just follow the clean with linear. Just quickly. Looking for shorts. I am gonna look for shorts. I am gonna look for shorts. Let me add let me add a poll on YouTube. So guys, I'm also live on YouTube. So if you wanna join me, you can also join me as well on YouTube. I know TikTok is a bit mumbling. I don't know why, and it's getting the hell out of me. TikTok is annoying. Let me see something. Let me see. Okay. The trade that I was looking for, it looks like it's happening. Output setting, same as OBS, audio, and then, okay. Okay. I am gonna look for short. Oh, the short is happening. Gonna wait. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna look for shorts here. Come on. There. Come on. Oh, shucks. Look at that. Let's see if it's gonna come back again to my entry, and then I'm gonna look for that short. Because what things? Ooh, fair enough. Okay, I'm short. Let me tell you. Yeah, I'm short. So I'm just readjusting this. Okay, I'm short. So for my stop loss, I just put it just there. That's quite a while there. Yeah, yeah. Short. As a 1:2 work for me. Well, just in fact, I'm gonna readjust the stop loss. I'm not happy for where I put it. Oh, I said I wanted to do a poll for YouTube. Where is this? I wanted to do a poll for YouTube. Where's my stop loss? I'm just gonna no. Let me put my stop loss where I wanted to put it. Oh god, bad. Okay. I think I'm happy with this. What's your what's your bias though? Okay, 2 minutes before closure. Sorry. Oh, this 3 minutes failed. Oh, we failed to get a 3 minute invasion. Yeah, that's not good. It would be nice if we got an invasion of this 3 minutes. Maybe perhaps we're gonna look for continuation, but that does not look good. But Just preparing a poll. Ooh, look at that. I don't like this. Ooh, okay. I don't like this 3 minutes candle. Terrible. It's horrible, in fact. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like what's happening. I thought I was gonna get a continuation, but it seems like it's failing. Yeah, I love how it's rejecting. 30 seconds before that 3 minutes closure. It's good that it's rejecting. The route it was going, it was not ideal for me. It was taking a wrong. Almost back to break even again. I'm hungry. I normally trade the PM session, so this week I'm trying to trade the AM session and see how horrible I during the AM session. Yesterday I took a break even. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. Okay. Why are we still bullish here, man? So what's your bias? On TikTok, please do not forget to like, guys. I will upgrade the quality of these lives and see how we'll end. The amount of lagging that the thing is doing, it's unbearable. I think I need another setting uh, for this. Okay, the entire life it's lagging. My stop loss is there. The- Anyway, the 3 minutes is not looking good. I just hope we're gonna get this continuation lower. So what I'm looking for now, it would be nice to get something like this, a break before below that, and perhaps now the trade will be fully confirmed. The trade will be fully confirmed. But now I think um, it did get an inversion there. Yeah, there now, stop loss above. Okay. It's one of those days where you just wait and see. I don't know how good my quality of the stream is right now. One thing I hate is someone promising me things and they don't deliver. I hate that a lot. Come on. Yeah, I'm tired. I mean, look, for day trading, I don't normally look at fundamentals, but let's go through the fundamentals while holding this trade. Let's just quickly go through the fundamentals. Quickly go through the fundamentals. Um, okay. My trade is not looking good, by the way, but we'll go through the fundamentals now. Question is, did I jump in too early? Was I not supposed perhaps to wait for a confirmation to break exactly to create a lower low, perhaps and re-enter than waiting for this invasions? Invasions are not the best for me, but I entered on an invasion. Anyway, but let's wait and see. While doing that, let me just let's quickly go through the fundamentals on the swing trading point before the markets deal with us. I will go through that. I have few positioning on swing trading. Philip, I'm tired, man, and my trade is looking up. Okay, let's see. On TikTok, I know the quality it's lagging. I don't know how to improve it. I wish I can improve it, man. The quality it's lagging. I don't know what I should do. Okay, my trade is not looking good, but anyway, I have a trade here. I'm already out. What's happening? Yeah, I think I'm out on this trade. And then, eh, oh, flip. Oh, it's happening a lot today. Close to my stop loss. Before I do that, um, yeah, today's stream is horrible, man. Because I wanna go through the fundamentals, but my trade is not looking good. Will I survive this? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. Just gonna quickly log in, yeah. Oh man. I am gonna go through the fundamentals of the positions I have and if there's anything that changed. And remember, I'm about to be taken out on gold. Okay. Uh, Positioning. Oh, this thing doesn't. Positioning that I have in terms of swing trading, I have gold break even almost. Almost. I'm taken out on the forex side, and the DJPY. It's been annoying. It's going up and down. It's, so here, one thing I hate about it is I just want still to just break above and hold. Perhaps I'll move my stop loss to profit. Because right now my stop loss is still low. It's not looking good for me. They are almost out on the day trading side. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. But anyway, also Euro AUD. I'm looking for continuation. Seems like this resistant also it's holding. So those are the pairs that I have. But so these are the only trades that I have, and I don't think in terms of swing trading I'm gonna add anything because it's been horrible. It's been I wanted to use the wrong word, but it's been horrible. So but if I were to go through the fundamentals as I explained earlier, let me shut down this for now. So what's my fundamentals? But okay, let's look at the spreadsheet. Oh shucks. Okay, I just remembered something. Um, let's look at the fundamentals. Risk on asset. Nasdaq is going high because we are moving towards more risk on asset than anything. Oh, come on, man. What's happening? Yeah. Look at this. Anyway, I think I'll speak about this towards the end. Let's just go straight to day trading. I don't like problems, and this thing is giving me problems. Let's see how horrible our trade is. I don't think my trade is still working out now. I will speak just before I close the live. I will speak about my idea here. I don't think this trade will hold, man. Yeah, I don't think this trade will hold. It's not looking good at all. It's not looking good at all. Few pips for my stop loss, yeah. Did I rush the trade? Perhaps I did. Is something, I think there's something that I need to reset, yeah. I don't know how, but I will. There is that possibility. That is why at first, um, my stop loss was here, but I felt like I don't trust this area, so hence I moved my stop loss slightly higher just to cover up for that. But let's see. I don't think it will hold though. I think we're gonna get a continuation to the upside. Two minutes before the bottom of the hour. Let's see what happens. Guys, I need to get something to drink. Ooh, look at that. My laptop is not charging. Oh Christ. Here we go. Looking for. Come on, give something. Inside here, there is a 1 minute fair value gap here. Let me just quickly mark this area and I'll see what's gonna happen here. But to be honest, I have no hope with my trade right now. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll truly appreciate that. It doesn't seem to. It doesn't seem like it will dis. Oh, I'm out. Okay, I should be out. Not. Hold on. Where did I put my stop loss? My stop loss was not here. Hold on. Let me quickly confirm something. I'm out. I should be out. Yes, I'm out. Yeah. Okay, I'm out, guys. What the hell? This thing is behind, for heaven's sake. Okay, I'm out. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm out. Yeah, it looks like it's getting a continuation to the upside. Did I rush this trade? Let's go back and see. The longs made sense. As I was saying, I would have looked for longs if in these areas the market gave something, but the market didn't. Yeah, here was my mistake. Yeah, it didn't allow the invasion of this 3 minutes fair value gap. That's why I made my mistake today. But we got a continuation to the upside. I think in terms of day trading, I'm gonna call it a day on, but let me update on the swing positionings. Then I can call it a night. Okay, look at that continuation. Oh, heavenly Lord. Yeah, this was wild. Just honest. Ooh, that was stupid of me. Yeah. How was I looking for shorts here? Okay. At first, I was looking for longs, but the trade that I wanted didn't happen. Yeah. I decided to say, since I'm not gonna get a retest, perhaps that will hold because there was an SMT to look for shorts. That was my mistake. That was my mistake for today. But without any wasting any time, it has happened. But let's look at a fundam. Let's look at my swing positioning, guys. Um, what is happening, man? Okay. On the swing positions, I have a few. This is interesting. I don't want to jump on again. I'm done. So I'm in a bit of profit on Euro USD. I mean, NZDJPY. I just wanted a continuation to hold and look for continuation to the upside. I've not gotten that as yet. I've not gotten that as yet. So I am gonna stay outside and watch closely. And then also Euro AUD as well. It doesn't seem like the support it's holding. I wanted a continuation to just break above the support and hold it, to hold above the previous weekly high, last week's high. But hey, the previous weekly high seems to be very, very strong. But the monthly high, we held the monthly high, it came back to this weekly high. And above this resistant area, it failed to break and turn this to support. But I'm still gonna hold. One thing I don't like is I am on negative swaps on Euro AUD, but I'm on positive swap on NZDJPY. So that's what I don't like here. But in terms of fundamentals, just gonna quickly go through and speak about the fundamentals and call it a night, man. Why am I saying a night? I'm used to trade. What the hell's happening here? A short trade is setting up very well, but I'm not gonna take it. But anyway, um, okay, let's go through. Man, what's happening here? Oh man, here we go. Oh, there's something weird happening, and I don't understand what is it. I think I'm gonna stop streaming on TikTok. This is gonna post. TikTok is not giving me what I want at all. The amount of lagging on TikTok is horrible, man. What the hell is happening today with the hedge finder? Hey, man, what the hell? I don't know. Let's just quickly. I'm just gonna look at Euro USD. I am looking for longs on Euro USD while the hedge finder is busy tracking on me here. Uh, oh, look at. Forgot to speak about this trade. This is the most painful trade I've had in the longest time. Though the trade didn't happen, look at this. Your brother had a limit. The market came, missed me, full to take profit. This was painful. This was painful. But let's get over it, man. I'm gonna cancel my order. I am still gonna continue looking for longs, though. What's the hedge fund not doing? Nah, the hedge fund is not hedge funding today. I don't know if it's my internet or what, but what the hell is happening with this thing? Okay. My software is not softwaring. So someone for sure on the day trading, they're already looking for shots. Trust me, that I know. What's happening here? Do, do, do. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to do something here. And then I think let me just quickly call it a night. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, never got enough rest. Can you see? Okay, guys, I think the edge finder has a problem. I don't know what's happening. So I think I'm gonna let it go. Tonight, I wanna talk about feelings. Why did I call it a day, man? I feel weird. Remember that even the best traders have losing days. It's part of the process. That's not, that's not what? No, 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 it's not even about this. Honestly, I'm super annoyed by the trade, how Euro USD missed me, and I'm trying to go through the fundamentals. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, but there you know, man. God. So I'm just gonna quickly do just a breakdown of what I'm looking for next on Euro USD. I think, yeah. What's up, man? Let's see. Hmm. Okay. So for Euro USD, come on. So for Euro USD, I am gonna look for longs. If we start moving back lower and we're still keeping the bullishness, I'm gonna look for longs there. I think that's where I am for Euro USD. I'm gonna look for longs. Even though I do have other forex pairs that I'm long, but right now, yeah, I'm gonna look for a trade something like this. Yeah, something like that. Remember, I got missed by this trade here on the retest of this. So I'm just gonna look for another continuation to the upside. And then I'll have to inquire about my software here. It's not softwaring. So I'm gonna look for something like this, man. Guys, let me just call it a day. I have a headache. I don't know why. Is it because I took a lot of joking, man? I just have a headache. I don't know. So, and I didn't get enough sleep, and I'm going to work now. So, I think we'll speak about fundamentals another time. I don't know what's happening. Maybe I need to check with someone. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. I'll try to reset. What's happening? I'll try to reset. Yeah, other things, man. How do I feel about the trade that I lost? I feel horrible. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I gotta go, man. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Follow me if you're on TikTok. Please just follow me, man. We'll start talking more and I'll start being live streaming more. Have a great day, guys. I love you. Peace.